Hello travelers, this is Kunal and welcome to my channel. Today we just visited Mumbai Surf Club.
Let's sort the travel options first. We have to get the Mumbai local Western line, get down at Nalasopara station, take an auto and head towards Rajodi beach. You can also travel by your personal car and bike. Now let's sort the costing part. They will charge you 1700 per person for 90-minute session, where first 20 to 30 minutes they will brief you and next 1 hour they will let you surf in the sea. The slot timings may vary, so you have to book 1 or 2 days prior coming. Now let's check out the place. Once you enter, you will see the reception desk just in the right side. Behind that, you will see number of surfboards stacked. Below, there are multiple skateboards which we can use it for free. They have the seating area where you can just spend your time. They have storeroom where all the surfboards and other stuff are kept. They have upper deck where they conduct the training sessions. They have a huge backyard area. They have a washroom which is always neat and clean. They also have skating area and you can use skateboard over here. You can also find the accommodation facilities, but you need to check the tariffs with them. After checking the place, they ask us to fill the form, means whatever happened to us, they are not responsible. And finally, our surfing session started.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, it's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Here is the delicious coffee and sandwich. Oh ho ho ho, ho. Looks so tempting. After surfing हमें बहुत भूख लगी. But we already knew that they have their in-house restaurant, so we ordered coffee and veg grill sandwich over there. No doubt, coffee here is extremely good. And same goes with the veg grill sandwich. I told you about the per person costing in initial video. Apart from that, they also have the full-fledged surfing course which will cost you 8k and that course is for 8 days. To know more about the course details and other informations, you can contact Sam, the person who manages this place.